No traffic equals no sales. If you have ever struggled to get visitors to your dropship store, this is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 best traffic strategies to bring in buyers so you can stop refreshing your store and finally see results. Hey everyone, if you're watching live, comment live. And if you're catching the replay, type replay so I can come back and answer your questions. Before we start, tell me in the comments, what is your biggest struggle with traffic? Is it ads? Is it organic reach? Let me know. Most beginners struggle because they don't have a clear traffic system. Instead of guessing, here are the 3 best ways to get high converting, steady traffic to your store. Number 1, influencer marketing. This is the fastest, free, and low-cost traffic. If you're on a budget, this is one of the best ways to get free traffic that converts fast. How to do it? You need to find influencers that have high engagement and at least 5,000 followers. Offer them a free product or even a commission per sale. Typically, I'd like to do the free product. Have them create authentic Instagram or Facebook posts and stories, or even go live with your product. One shout out from the right influencer could send hundreds of buyers to your store in one day. I'm not kidding. I have a client that did over 10 grand in less than 48 hours from working with one influencer. Inside Dropship Academy, I give a full influencer script and strategy, and I just got a brand new spreadsheet made for me that has over 150 influencers that are the ideal target for you to work with. I will give that to you if you are inside the program. The second way is to run Facebook and Instagram ads. This is the fastest way to scale. Ads are the quickest way to traffic if you do them right. But the problem is most beginners waste money because they don't follow the right process. Here's how to start the right way. You want to select winning products that are already selling, or if you're new, you want to have an ad with your products on Facebook. Test a small budget, even $5 a day, and then only scale after you get profitable data. If you just throw money at ads without a system, you will burn through your cash fast. And I've talked to so many ladies in the last few days that have done just that. That's why you need a proven strategy. In Dropship Academy, I give you step-by-step Facebook and Instagram ad training so you can launch profitably. Number 3, the overlooked gold mine. This is where most dropshippers go wrong. They ignore email because they think it's old school, or their friends maybe say they don't check email. Here's the truth. Email is where the money's at. You should be able to, once you get your email list built up, send an email and immediately make sales. Why is email a game changer? For one, your store visitors won't buy on the first visit. I had one, I looked, and it took over 13 visits for her to make an actual purchase, right? You're not collecting emails. You can never talk to that person again. Emails will bring them back to your website. Number 2, you can sell more with abandoned cart sequences and email promotions. You want to be able to follow up with these people. How many times have you gone to a website and seen something you liked and said, oh, I'll go back later, and then you forget what the website is? If you're not sending abandoned cart sequences, you're missing out on a ton of money. And number 3, the email list is traffic that you own. So if you've got an Etsy website or an Etsy store, you do not own that email list of your customers. If you're running a dropship store with Shopify, you own that email list. So if you're not using email marketing, you're leaving money on the table. Inside Dropship Academy, I'll show you exactly how to set up automated sequences so you can start bringing in sales 24/7. Now, here's the truth. Just knowing these traffic sources isn't enough. The real challenge is putting them together in a step-by-step plan that actually works. That's why I created Dropship Academy, so you don't have to figure it out alone. Inside Dropship Academy, I will give you a complete traffic system for paid and organic methods. You will get winning product lists, and high converting templates. You will also get step-by-step ad and email marketing training. And bonus for action takers. For the next 24 hours, if you sign up for Dropship Academy, you will also get a free one-on-one coaching call with me. I will personally help you launch faster. If you are finally ready to get traffic and sales the right way, comment Academy below and I will send you all the details. All right, that's it for today. Tap the like button and follow us, and even tag a friend who needs to see this. And I will see you next time.